Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So just a pond tip. We're ready to start filling this pond up. We actually have filled a little bit of water in here. This makes it sure everything's watertight. We've got the autofill right here, which we're gonna turn on in just a few minutes. It's like a miniature toilet flow for your pond. Over here though, so we have the world's first, at this point, the only koi pond filter that actually self-flushes. So when it builds up too much poop, it just flushes out. And so we're going to have it flushing into a compost pile. But in the meantime, we have this pond pump here that really pushes a lot of flow out. And it's a low electrical draw. It's made by OASE. Well, some of the flow is going to go into here, and then by use of something called a Jandy valve, you're able to control how much water goes into this filter box. Well, the excess water, we're going to be able to control it to go out to each of these waterfalls. We added an additional Aquamax OASE 3600 pump so that whenever there's a party and the homeowner wants to really wow the guest, bam, it's there you go, you're able to turn that on. So I just wanted to give you an idea of some of the intricacies of this pond. We did do a fish cave here because it is a koi pond, and so this fish cave, we cut 2-foot pipe in half, we put concrete on the bottom, and then we filled it up with rocks here and painted the white pipe. So yeah, everything's working out. It's coming along. Got the waterfalls. Whenever you do a waterfall, you should always use a level, because you don't want crooked waterfalls. In nature, you see them and they're perfectly flat, because it means water's worn them down over time. Anyway, oh, and one last bonus, the water that does come out of the ProfiClear filter made by OASE, we're going to have it come out here and then bounce back into the waterfall. So there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There'll be about 11 waterfalls in this water feature. Okay, so join us next week. We'll have the completed project done, and yeah, we're totally psyched about this. In fact, I've got about 4 big koi that are going to be calling this home next week, so we'll do a YouTube video of that too. Okay, thanks for joining us. Talk to you later. Take care.